Alright everyone, we will be removing the spark plugs and the ignition coils from a C230 2005. First thing we want to do is go ahead and remove the battery cover. And I'm just going to unplug the battery just so there's no any kind of electrical current through here while I'm working on this. And what it uses a 10 millimeter. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the engine cover. And I'm going to do this. It's got to use a little force. Not too much, and it just pops off like that. Then in here you'll see that there are 4 coils, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to remove those using a E8, and that's the reverse star. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is unclip these ignition coils. Let's see. Screw it along. So here's one. Just kind of get the 2 ends and pull out like that. That's what it looks like.
Nice pull out method.
Yep. Works every time. Let's go match one of these up. They are exactly the same. So we're good. Alright, next we're going to remove the spark plugs. We're going to use this 5/8 spark plug remover. And there are 4 of them in the 2005 C230. Alright, for my spark plugs, the Bosch, it's just whatever spark plug your vehicle uses. I've gone to store to get these and I got the exact ones, and let's go put them in. So I finally get that 3rd spark plug out. Had a little bit of trouble doing it, so I taped these up so no dirt will get in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this 3rd spark plug in first, since that was the one I had issues getting out. So I just put in my spark plug remover. Alright, and here's the 4. I've already put the 3rd one in. I spread all the spark plugs out here. Don't have to keep going all the way back in the garage, but just put them on the spark plug remover. Kind of tighten everything by my hand, and they're all gapped already. They come pre-gapped. So this is cylinder number 1. I'll just go ahead and hand tighten it until I can, and then I'll just kind of tighten it up with the wrench here shortly. So I already put the third one in. I'm going to put in number 2. And number 4, since I already put 3. Snug everything up on the wrench here shortly. Tighten it. You don't have to tighten real tight still, make sure you know it's on real good. Number 1. And number 4. So I'll go back in and get the ignition coils. I don't know if y'all can see, these are my old ignition coils, and here I got some new ones. I already matched them up the other day, and everything looks like to be an exact match. So I'll go ahead and bring these over there. So first thing I'll do, there's a connector right here. I'll put the 4th one in. Kind of down at the 2nd hole. And I'll snap the connector over it. Just get this out of the way. So what I want to do, I'm going to get this out of the way, and it just kind of clips in place right there. So there's the button you push here to pop that off. Here's cylinder number 2. Snap that in place. We got the last one here, which is for cylinder number 1. So connect the connector to the ignition coil. Alright, here we're going to use the E8 reverse star. Alright, and it's all tight. So everything's all clean, everything's all attached. Just pop this engine cover back on. There's 4 grooves on this side that go into those 4 metal squares right there. Just pops on just like that. And then that's the installation one of changing these spark plugs and engine coils. Alright, moment of truth. Let's try it out. There you have it, everyone. All fixed and ready to go. Got 208,666 miles on this 2005 C230.